Hey, Che. How's everybody doing out there? Good? Nope, the kitchen is closed. PBJ's kitchen. God is so wonderful. I'm so grateful for my friends and family and subscribers. I already know who this is from. I already know what it is because it's on the box. But we still have to open it up. Yes. So excited. This is so thoughtful and considerate. I'm so grateful. Thank you. Anne. My name is Anne. Yes. It's a 1 pint wonder ice cream maker. Okay, so y'all gotta ride with me on this one. It's an ice cream maker. I gotta make ice cream. We're gonna do it together. Not today, but we will. Let me open it up. This is fabulous. I've never made ice cream in my life. So, here we are. Ooh, she's pretty. Yes. Thank you, Anne. Thank you 1,000 times. I love you for this. Isn't this fabulous? PBJ's Kitchen, P.O. Box 34, Keller, Texas. I'm cooking with gas. Thanks, everybody. Thanks for being here. Thanks for joining, putting up with me. And I'm going to see you next time. We're going to make some this week. Okay? All right. Talk to y'all later. Yummy, film, and tummy.